Hello everyone. In this video, we'll be learning what is sorting, what are its examples, its applications, and one basic technique of sorting, that is bubble sort, according to its rate modified, and so on. There are few types of sorting algorithm. The most basic one is bubble sort. Now we'll see how does bubble sort actually works. How does bubble sort work? Bubble sort compares adjacent elements and rearranges them according to ascending or descending requirement. Let's take a look at example containing 5 elements, and we need to convert it to an ascending order. To do that, what we'll do is we'll take first two adjacent elements. We'll check are they in ascending order or not. If they're not, we'll swap them or we'll rearrange them. So in this case, we have rearranged 2 and 4. Then we'll take a look at next two elements, that is 4 and 9. Are they in ascending order? Yes. So we'll keep them as it is. Then we will take a look at 9 and 1. Are they in ascending order? No, they are not. So we'll rearrange them. That is 1 and 9. Then we'll take a look at next two elements, that is 9 and 10. Are they in ascending order? Yes. So we'll keep them as it is. At the end of this step, as we can see that all the elements are not arranged in an ascending order. Input of step 1 will give to input of step 2. So as you can see, here are 2 and 4. So are they in ascending order? Yes, we'll keep them as it is. The next elements are 4 and 1. Are they in ascending order? No. So we'll rearrange them. Then we'll take a look at 4 and 9. Are they in ascending order? Yes, we'll keep them as it is, and same for 9 and 10. The same thing, output of step 2 will give to the input of step 3. So we'll again check for the two numbers. Are they in ascending order? No, they are not. So we will replace them. Then we'll check for all the rest of the numbers, but they are already in ascending order. So no need to rearrange them. This is how the bubble sort actually works. Now we'll take a look at its programming or its Python code. So let's take a look at bubble sort program. In this program, what we have done is we have took a array, naming it as A. Then we have took a for loop where uh we will take a input of 5 numbers. Then what we have done is we have took two for loops. In for loop, one for loop, that is J, that will point to the first location, and the next for loop is K, which will point to the second location. After that, if we found the condition is not matching ascending condition, then we will swap the elements. This is the rearranging logic, and at the end we'll print the sorted array. So let's see whether the program runs correctly or not. I'll take randomly any 5 numbers, that is 2, okay, 2A701601267. Okay, so the program is working correctly.